on to day 16, page 16 here. The first one says, write the numeral for 9,609. So they want, when they say numeral, they mean standard form, right? So just read it and write it. So it's 9,609, 9,600. If I put a 9 there, that's not going to work. So 609 would be 600, right? 609. We have a straight up addition problem here. It's slightly off, right? Looks like it's a little bit tilted, but we can just adjust. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 up top, 0 down below. 8 plus 1 is 10, 1 up top, 0 down below. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 3, or 1 more is 8. And finally, 3 and 4 is 7, 7,800. $4.63 rounded to the nearest dollar. So here's the dollar. Here's our move. Look next door. So you ask yourself, is this big enough to make it $5 or down to $4? Well, the 6 is bigger than a 5, so it's up to $5. 40 times 9. Oh boy. We're not quite there yet, right? In our math books, 40 times 9. But we do know the trick of 4 times 9. And if I look for 4 times 9 in my journal, here's my 4s. 4 times 9, 36. So 40 times 9 is going to be 36 with that 0 back on there. We're getting close, folks. How about 1,706 minus 428? Time to do some regrouping, I think. 6 take away 8, no can do. I also can't borrow from that 0. So I have to go all the way to the 7. He becomes a 6. And I can't just bring the 1 over to the 1s column. I have to go through here first. This guy becomes a 10 now. And now I can borrow from him, and he turns into a 9, and this is a 16. So now 16 take away 8 is 8. 9 take away 2 is 7. 6 take away 4 is 2. Comma's coming down because here is this 1. 1,278. How many inches in 3 feet? Well, yesterday you guys talked about how many inches were in 1 foot. So in 1 foot you've got 12 inches. So in 3 feet you've got 12, 12, 12. Or 12 times 3 later on in the year, right? So we can just add this up real quick. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. How many inches in 3 feet? 36. Also known as a yard. Not a backyard, but 3 feet is called a yard. So when you talk about football or the Olympics, when you have like a 100-yard field, that's yard. A yard is 3 feet. And now down to this last guy. Your uncle planted 123 rose bushes and some mystery amount of yellow rose bushes. He planted 197 roses in all. How many were yellow? 123 red, this many total, and there's a mystery number of those total are yellow. So this is going to be a subtract. 197 minus 123. Total number of roses minus the red roses gets us the yellow roses. 7 take away 3 gets me 4. 9 take away 2 gets me 7. And 1 take away 1 is nothing. So 74. If you're going to set this up as like a fancy middle school algebra problem, then it would look like this. 123 plus y equals 197. And then they would have you solve for y, they would say. Y, this is going to be our mystery number of yellow rose bushes. So this is what it would kind of look like algebra-wise. But for us, we can just do the subtracting and move on with our day. Heads up for tomorrow. Subtract, add, place value. There's this one. He is a mystery number. There are 2 ways to pull this problem off. They're saying that blank, blank, blank plus 341 equals 505. So mystery number plus 341 equals 505. Wants to know about money. How much does each of this make? These 2 look like multiplication problems. Right on. There are 9 rows. Each row has got 9 chairs. There are 5 crayon boxes, or 5 crayons in a box, 4 boxes total. Those are kind of either add, or you can multiply using that chart. All right, have a good day.